Hello my dear kids, in last session we was talking about different types of keys which are presented in a keyboard. You can see here, then last session we was talking about spacebar key. It is mainly used for blank space between any type of two letters. Okay. Then enter key. This enter key is mainly used for starting a new line. Okay. Then the caps lock key. This caps lock key is mainly used for inside any type of letter or typing any type of letter into a capital letter. Okay. So in today's session we will starting a new specific keys. That is first one is shift key, then home key and end key. So first of all we will start with the shift key. Here this shift key is mainly used as similar to caps lock key. We know that, as I told you kids, this caps lock key is mainly used for writing any type of letter into a capital letter. So here shift key is also used for typing any type of capital letter when the caps lock key is off. So when the caps lock key is off, so if you want to type any capital letter, so first you have to pressing the shift key, and with the pressing of that shift key you have to write or enter a alphabet key. Okay, so whatever the alphabet you have to pressing, that can be show on a display as a capital letter. Okay, but if caps lock key is on, so when we pressing this shift key with alphabet keys, so it can be display any type of letter in a small letter. Okay, not a capital. The capital letter is only displayed when the caps lock key is off. But when the caps lock key is on, so here the shift key is working as a small letter. Okay. So here shift key is also used as some specific key. Specific keys like it is used for typing the upper character on them. For example, if you want to write word wow, so here you can see there is a one symbol after wow. This symbol can be created with the help of this shift key. So first you have to press the shift key, then keep the shift key pressed and type the letter W, then release the shift key, then again type OW, then again press the shift key and keep it pressed and press the key. Here is the symbol. So after release the shift key you will get this word. Okay, so after shift key the next specific key, that is a home key. This home key is mainly used for moving the cursor at a starting point. If the cursor is present at any type of place, but when you pressing this home key, this cursor is directly coming on a starting line. Okay, so there are two home keys are presented in our keyboard. Okay, you can see here a picture of cursor. Then end key. So here the function of end key is similar to home key, but here the difference is only one, is that when we enter a home key, so the cursor moving at a first line, but here when we enter the end key, the cursor moving in a end of the line. So this home key and end key is mainly used for moving a cursor at a starting line and moving a cursor at a ending line. Okay, so here also there are two end keys are present in a keyboard. Okay, so we will ending our session here. In next session we will meet with some other specific keys. Till then, bye bye, take care.